Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna make macarons with cream cheese. Subukan natin. My own version. Hindi ko alam kung mag-work. Ayan guys, a day in my life as a content creator, kailangan kong gumawa ng content. So, today, I'm gonna make macarons with cream cheese. I'm just put the cream cheese in there and I'm gonna make it soften. Yan, macarons with cheese, cream cheese. Hindi ko alam kung anong kalalabasan kasi sayang kasi itong cream cheese ko. Gusto kong maiba naman. Yan, cream cheese. Tapos, ilalagay ko tong butter. I got 3/4 of butter. Para isabay ko na siya dyan. 3/4 of butter. Kasi hindi siya melted, kaya iaano ko dito. Kasi malamig kasi, kaya hindi na melted yung ko. Hindi na melted yung ganyan. So, ayan na yung atong butter at saka cream cheese. Ayan. And then, maglalagay ako ng egg. Sugar pa pala, sugar. Sugar. White sugar now. 1/2 cup. 1/2 sugar. And I'm gonna put my egg. 2 egg. 2 large egg. Para ma-mix-mix ko sila. Yan o. I got my milk, condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. Looks yummy already. 1 can of condensed milk. Yan. And I put milk, evap, 1/2 of can, 1/2 lang. already good. Looks good. We got 1 1/2 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon. And we got this baking powder. 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon. I-mix lang natin, ha. And we got our desiccated coconut here. Fine. I grind this to make it fine. And we will put here. And this one too. There you go. And we will mix. Wow, a lot. It's a lot. Looks yummy already. This is my own version anyways. My own version, I put cream cheese. We'll see what's the taste it. And we will cook this for 170 Celsius for about 15 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes. So that's the consistency, this one. See, it's good. We'll put in our molder. Looks already good. Ay, pangit pala to, malaki. Sandali, meron tayong maliit dito. Hi. Yan. It's cooked.
Here, try this. Yogurt. Out of sight, out of mind.
Ooh, looks yummy. Smell good. Oh. Oh, hot. Ayan po. Finish.